All right, guys, welcome back. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the family. It's Monday, March 13th. Another day, another opportunity, guys. So I'm very happy to have you guys here. If you guys have any questions, guys, you guys know, don't be shy. Comment below. I'd love to be able to help you guys out in any way possible. We're going to take a look at things here together. All right, let me just kind of update the video settings here. I've got another video coming out today, guys, so stay on the lookout for that as well. So definitely fortunate enough to have another video coming out. Funds. Okay, this looks good.
Somos los culpables, estamos cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. De hoy para abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos por esa muro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mandé un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. De hoy para abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima.
All right, guys, give me 1 second here. We're gonna get started shortly.
No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mandé un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. De hoy para abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos.
Okay, so we're gonna look at
Sé que nos peleamos, quedan muchos, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mandé un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos.
All right, guys, welcome everyone. Welcome to the family, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I was just updating the video settings here, so we should be good now. Good to go. If it's your first time here, welcome to the family. We're gonna be looking at everything, so don't worry, guys. We'll take a look at everything. We've got bro looking GJ, nice. We'll take a look at all these pairs together, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna take a look at it together. Hope you guys are doing well, man. It's crazy. Another week. Let's focus. Remember, let's focus on quality trades. We don't want to just jump into the markets. Take it nice and easy. Was looking potentially at gold buys. I'm going to be updating my charts here in a second. I'm just putting all the links in the chat. And then we'll get started, guys. Guys, if you enjoy these streams, guys, make sure you guys smash that like button for me. All right. Perfect. Looks like we are good to go on this end. Okay, so let's dive right in, guys. Let's dive right in. Let's not waste any time. So gold looks like we may be potentially seeing a push to the upside here. I'm just trying to see what's going on here. Dixie seemed like it's a little bit weak. However, I want to make sure. We already got a rejection here, so even here on the 15-30 minute is looking pretty bullish. We're kind of just breaking above these highs, so if this closes bullish, I'm definitely looking for gold to continue to go higher. So I'm definitely looking at potential gold buys from here. It seems like it's still going higher, and it seems like the dollar is still weak. So we are rejecting this level structure. So we broke below it, we closed below this level of support, okay, and we came back up, retested it, and now it's still rejecting this level structure. So I still feel like we may see the dollar continue to go down lower, believe it or not. And if that is the case, then that's what we're gonna get from gold. But that's why there's so much indecision at this given time. So let's move on to a different let's focus on a pair here. Let's see what's going on with GU. So GU, it seems like we're at the top of this range, and so it came up to these highs. It's rejecting it. I can see GU come back down, to be honest. I don't see it going up higher. It's already showing us heavy rejection from this level structure, which is the mid-range here. So that is my overall direction. Higher time frames are already seeing a rejection of this level structure. We may see it come back up to these highs, create a double top or something like that, before it continues to go down lower. So that's really what I'm seeing here. Let's narrow it down to the smaller time frames. If we see it continue to go further, then it is what it is in this case. But we can already start seeing a shift. It's not going to the upside anymore. We failed to create a higher high. We are rejecting this level structure here. I mean, we could even see it here. Like it's not the most ideal. Strong momentum here. We've got the highs to the lows, and it's rejecting our 0.618, 0.50 level to the T. So we could see GU continue to go down lower, even from here. Let's say you do a stop. Sorry, let's say you do a stop here. See, we're talking about like a 30, let's say 25 pip stop, and then you kind of target all the way 0.618. That's 75 pips. Let's see here. Where's my New York here? So oh shoot. So we have, yeah. That's what I feel could happen here, guys. Yeah, we could see sells here, GU sells. We have our Tokyo, London. Yeah, I could see GU sells here. And gold, gold buys. Be looking at GU entering here, setting our stop like 30 pips, and then just targeting the lower end here. If we look at our RSI on like the higher time frames, yeah, no. Yeah, so we can see not only that, so we're gonna get the volume kick in once we get New York, but we can see this break of the trend line here as well too, guys. Now keep in mind we could get wicked out, and it could come back up once more into this area. So that's kind of what we're seeing already right now, a little bit of rejection here. Gold, I'm following here on my other screen. Gold's looking like we may be looking at buys, guys. A little bit on the more riskier end, but That's just what I'm seeing here. Yeah. Yeah, we may see gold buys here. Let's see the dollar. It's just the dollar is coming back up here, but we're seeing weakness here. Let me know if you guys have any questions, guys. Let me know if you have any questions for me, guys. Guys, we're at 5 likes. Let's get it to 10 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna leave this as it sits. Like I said, looking at potential gold buys, and then we're just gonna move on here. So let's see here with GU as well. GU, looking at GU sells. We're already seeing like a nice rejection here, so this would be actually a potential good entry. But again, I would manage my risk if I were going to get in here on GU sells, just because, like I said, it might come back up to these highs once more before it goes down. Let's see here. Okay, so let's do GBP odd, then we'll do GJ. Okay, guys. So GBP odd, similar concept. We are kind of seeing a shift here. Let's go up to the daily, guys. Let's see what's going on here. So we're already seeing a rejection of this level structure. So this level structure here on the daily, you can see that we're kind of in this range. I've already kind of jotted out here for you guys so you guys could see. This is how we can scope out these opportunities, guys, and look at what the market is trying to tell us. Okay, we got security. Look GJ. We're gonna take a look at GJ, my man. Just give me 1 second here, unless it's flying and we're missing out here. So it seems like we may see continuation of sells here, guys. Daily 4 hour, looking pretty bearish. It's getting a rejection of these highs. You can see that we're stuck in this range. We are oversold here, overbought here on our RSI on the daily, so that's pretty significant. And then if we look to the 1 hour time frame, we are still kind of still in this kind of upwards trend. However, we can already start to see a shift here where we've kind of broken below. We tried to come back up to these highs and we're rejecting it once more. Give me 1 second here, guys. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let's move on. So anyways, until we don't kind of break these lows, we're not looking for sell opportunities here on GBP odd. So let's go to GJ. Let's see what's going on with GJ here. So GJ, we had, okay, nice. So we had a strong move here. I think that's one of our members wanted to get our attention there. The strong move we had here was on London session. Okay, so I don't know why my thing is now behind. It wasn't behind before. So we have New York kicking in right now, 8 o'clock, 8:30. I think we could see a continuation to the downside. I mean, it could come back up on a retracement, but it looks pretty bearish here, guys. So we could anticipate a continuation to the downside. Yeah, that's really what I'm seeing here, guys, to be honest with you. Okay. It's looking pretty bearish that I don't think if this closes below this wick here, we can anticipate a continuation to the downside, guys. Now, where could this go? That is a good question. We are kind of breaking this level structure, which is quite significant. So if we look over here, this was an area that we were anticipating price to respect, which it broke. So now what we want to see is this candle close. So this is the 4-hour candle. For all we know, it could come down a little bit lower. Maybe we may see it come down to this lower area here. That's what I'm saying. We may see a continuation of sells here for GJ, and then we can see a pullback, so a continuation to the downside, but we may just see some sort of a retracement. So keep that in mind. So we got the strong momentum already giving us nice. We may see a continuation down here. Wait for the retest, guys, and then as long as we reject this level structure now that was previously held as a level support, we can anticipate a continuation to this lower levels here to the downside. So this is beautiful because it's giving us that strong momentum, which is what we want, guys. This is what we want to see, right? But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at there, guys. Take a look at this. Gold's going in our favor here. We're getting that push on gold. We should see some more volume kick in, and then we should see some sort of a rejection here for the dollar. We're seeing already 3 wick rejections here on the 1-hour time frame for the dollar. So this is a pretty good indication that we're seeing weakness in the dollar. However, we may be surprised it could come back higher, but I'm just letting you guys know that these type of wicks and rejections, that gives us a strong indication that it's weak, right? And we could see here, for example, with gold, like I told you, we were looking at gold buys. We could see not only this, but if we go to the higher time frames, we could see that this is a double bottom formation, right? We could see it clear as water. Sorry for the mess here, guys, but you can see clear as water where we've created this kind of double bottom. We're breaking well above the neckline. We may be coming, our target areas may be coming to these highs here before we then come back and retest the neckline. So yeah, this is really what I'm seeing here, guys, so far. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. You know what I mean? Let me know if you have any questions at all. So going back to GJ, this is beautiful because on the higher time frames, we are still kind of in a range, right? So we know that most likely we may be longer term, we may be coming back down to this lower end of the range to retest this lower end of the range. We can see that this is kind of the highs of the range here. Okay. And so now that we understand the direction, we understand that we're kind of failing to go above, and we broke below this kind of level, we can start looking for selling opportunities. Okay, guys. It's that simple. And like I said, look, we're already kind of breaking below this wick, so we're going to see that continuation to the downside. Could we enter here? Yes, if you wanted to. Again, though, you got to manage your risk and understand that, see, that's similar move exactly to that level I told you guys, that it's a little bit more riskier, right? Because price could pull back. So just manage your risk if you are looking at sell entries here. Again, right, we always want to focus on quality, guys. That's really what I want to focus on. Trust me, over the years that I've been doing this, I've been trading Forex for about 4 years. You realize, okay, guys, we literally closed at that level. So let's zoom in here. Let's see where we're at. We closed. Let's see if we closed below it. We closed below it, guys. So it's going to come back up, create a wick here most likely, and then continue to go down lower. All right, awesome chat. Congratulations if you're getting into this trade, guys, because we are looking at potential GJ sells continue to go down further. That's kind of what I'm looking at there, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, also smash that like button for me, guys, if you enjoy these live streams. If it's your first time here, welcome to La Familia, guys. I'm excited to have you guys here. Make sure you guys click the link to our free Telegram group, guys. I have my Telegram group in the little description below, so make sure you guys click the link and join in on that too, guys. It's absolutely free to join. Blessed Traders Academy. Also my VIP inner circle, the link is in the chat box above. Also make sure you guys check out my recommended broker. If you have any questions, guys, my website is there as well, guys. Make sure you follow me on my socials. We got Kisoso, sorry if I didn't pronounce that right there, my man. Kisoso Fabian, Euro odd. I don't really trade that, my man, but we can take a look at that if you're looking at trading that as well. Euro odd, Euro USD. Let's take a look here. I have it probably somewhere here because this is for the live stream. Let me just find it. And look at that, guys. $900 USD for the day, guys. Just like that. Literally just like that. So yes, it's possible. And I usually do the 2 full lots. I did 1 full lot. So I could have made 2K in one day, just like that. So if you're looking to level up your trading, guys, I don't know what you guys are doing, but you guys are missing out on a ton of value in this channel, because I literally teach you exactly how to catch these opportunities in the market. So it's up to you. If you want to level up your trading, if you really want to learn, if you want to join a community that you can count on, you have it right here, guys. It's absolutely free. I don't charge for the live streams. I don't even charge for my community that I have on my Telegram group, guys. So like I said, go watch my other videos too, guys. Make sure you guys go watch the videos. If you want to kind of see how I look at the markets, make sure you guys go check it out, because this is how you're going to be able to learn, guys. I'm telling you. Just updating my VIP group here. Let's go. VIP's in heavy profits right now, guys. I'm just updating them right now, so I'm letting them know on the broadcast channel. Okay. I'm gonna let it ride because I'm gonna stick to my analysis here. Trust my plan with the dollar weakening. You see the dollar weakness here on the daily. The daily is much more significant than the 30-minute, right? And so right now, we could see overall here with the with gold, which was what I was saying, is we can anticipate it to come up to these highs. Okay. But anyways, let's continue on. We had one of our members ask about Euro odd, I think it was. Let me just take a look here. Was it Euro odd? Yeah, Euro odd. I'm gonna take a look at Euro odd for my man here. I am not personally in GJ, guys. No, I didn't get into it. I feel like the entry might have been a little bit too tight for me. And I want to be able to kind of manage what I don't want to get into too many trades, because I'm in gold right now. And I don't want to just jump in. I used to do that before, and it's hard, guys, to manage. But yes, like I told you guys to get in here. If you wanted to, you could have, because we closed below this wick level here, so we can anticipate, even if it starts waking back up here, because we had a closure of this candle bearish below these this previous wick, we can anticipate a continuation. Now, could it come back up? Yes, fundamentals could kick in, so many other things could happen. But let's go back to memory lane here. Let's take a look at this candle over here. Doesn't this candle right here look very familiar to this one where we're getting rejection? Yes. And so just keep in mind that sometimes price will fight back, right? But the bulls are really trying to fight back in this range. That's why I didn't really enter, because it was a really aggressive entry. But could it continue to go further? Yes, absolutely. Would I enter? Not personally. And like I said, right now at this point, anything that it pushes down lower, I would move my stop loss to entry, make it a risk-free trade, and then just kind of go from there, because it is a little bit of a higher risk trade opportunity. This is more quick in and out, right? So yeah, let's see how this next 5-minute candle goes. We'll go from there. Okay. I only like to focus on high probable setups. You guys know that, right? So we want to only focus on quality over quantity, guys. Okay. I'll let you guys know when I'm actually in a trade. I'm just showing you my kind of scope on that specific pair on GJ. Okay, so euro odd, guys. What are we looking at here for euro odd? What are we looking at here for euro odd? Let's see. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. I'm just going to keep up here with the news. Let's see how the dollar's going as we go. Yeah, the dollar's looking crazy weak, man. But before we do that, guys, I also want to look at, so we're going to look at Euro odd, but I'm just going to look at the news too, guys. We got to be very, very cautious, because I don't know if we do, but I have to check. It's always good to check. Okay, Monday, we're good. We're good. It's tomorrow and all of this week that we have some pretty significant news coming up. So I'll take out the yellow stuff and then apply just yes. So we've got quite the news coming out this week, guys. So keep an eye out on that. Okay, Euro odd, guys. What are we looking at? Euro odd. Let's go. So Euro odd, we're seeing a continuation to the upside. We broke these highs, guys, exactly as what we were anticipating here in this overall upwards direction, upwards momentum. Okay, let me clear the charts to start fresh so you guys can understand. Let's mark off our levels here, weekly levels. So we also want to understand these levels, because take a look at that. Like, the daily was looking bullish, but had I not looked at the weekly, we're coming up to a weekly resistance area here, right? So this could be a supply area. You could see that in the past over here, guys. Take a look at this. Price came up to these highs and look what happened. It melted. Came back up to these highs and what happened here? It melted. Came back up to these highs and what happened, guys? It melted. So now that price is coming to this area that is quite significant. What do you think may happen? Well, we may see the same thing happen, right? We may see a week of sells here for Euro odd, maybe coming back down to this level of resistance over here, right? So this could be my target area. As a trader, I want to see these. I want to mark off my weekly levels here so that I can understand. Now, do I have to do this every day? No, not at all. Not necessarily. But this is really going to help you guys kind of understand important levels that we have to figure out, right? So we have been trending to the upside. We can see that there was some sort of a consolidation here, and then overall we got that higher high, right? So now what I'm looking at here on the daily is a rejection. I want to see this candle close bearish, and then we can start looking for a potential break of structure. We're still kind of creating higher highs and higher lows. If we fail to create a higher high at this point, what I want to see is price break below these lows here and give us some sort of break of structure, strong momentum push. Give me 1 second. Opened up the wrong tool here. Maybe create some sort of a double top with a rejection. If we reject it twice here on the 4-hour time frame, then that's quite significant, guys. So then that will be enough of a push for us to give us to the downside. Wait for the retest, and then we get in on sells, guys. And this is the 4-hour time frame. So from here to here, let's say you target kind of sells from this area, right? It's a lot. We're talking a lot of pips here. So we're talking from let's say from this entry here, highs to this lows, that's over 250 pips. So then we narrow this down to the smaller time frames. Excuse me. And then we can start getting in on all these little pullbacks, right? So we start putting here entry here, right? Entry, whatever. Once it starts creating an entry here, right? Until we target the low end here, the bottom end. Are you guys understanding that? Yes, good. Let me know if you guys are understanding that. If you have any questions, guys, don't be shy. Comment it below. Also, if you guys are new, welcome to the family members, guys. Welcome to all the new family members that are tuning in. Yeah, I'm excited for you guys. I'm excited. Okay. We've got, are you in GJ? No, not in GJ. Are you actually in gold? Yes, I am. Gold targets in VIP. Gonna send that in VIP, Tony. So keep a lookout on there, my man. Don't worry, I'm in it with you guys. David, let's go. Let's go. Tony in the house. Let's get it. Guys, we're at 15 people here. Let's get, we've only got 9 likes. What's going on? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's get it to 15 likes at least. Guys, if you enjoy these live streams and you're learning and you're finding a ton of value, guys, smash that like button for your boy. I really do appreciate it. Because every single like and comment, guys, does help. It does help with the channel, and that way I can continue to create these live streams that are absolutely free. You know what I mean? It says David, we've got, can you show us VIP group on Telegram? Because I want to buy 1 month, but I don't know how you're giving signals. Can you show Telegram VIP group? Sure, my man. I like a screenshot. I've done that before in the past, just to show you like a glimpse. Absolutely, I've done that before. Yeah, I'll do that. Just make sure you're joined in our free Telegram group. I'm gonna do that today. Remember to like, my VIP group is not just about signals. It's also, the focus is to learn, right? I want you guys to learn while you earn at the same time. So you earn and you're learning, right? Because a lot of times, like other traders or YouTubers, they share just like the numbers and that's it, right? But you also want to be like, why is Pedro looking at sells, or why is Pedro looking at gold buys? What's the reasoning behind it, right? So you want to also learn at the same time, because then that's the whole point of you being able to grasp things over time. So think about it. If you're in my VIP and you just keep learning and learning and learning over time, you're going to be like, well, I already know why Pedro's looking at potential buys here, right? I already know why Pedro's looking at, you know, gold target areas here from this level, right? So you start kind of understanding why I'm calling out these, you know, specific moves or whatever, right? So, but yeah, that's pretty much the reasoning behind everything, guys, right? And you'll understand this as time goes. And the more you look at the charts, the more you get comfortable. The more I send out my analysis with my students in my VIP, the more they're going to learn and the more comfortable they're going to get with looking at the charts, right? So that's really the reasoning behind it, guys, and really why I wanted to create that community. Right now we have about 14 students, so definitely blessed to be able to help and guide 14 people and help them change their lives with trading and help their take their trading to that next level. Anyways, on the Euro odd, guys, I think we had one of our members ask, were you able to understand that? Let me know if you're able to understand that explanation there, guys, or if you guys are learning as well. And we've got Daweed here. Daweed, I'm impatient and can't swing trade. I don't know why. I want to pass fast. 10K account later, 100K later, live account. I want to trade slow. Daweed, the most important thing I can tell you as a trader, it teaches you to be patient. And so that takes time, you know what I mean? And when you're starting out, see how it's coming up to your odd? Like right now, I know maybe the impatient me or the newbie me, I would have gotten on sells here. Why? Because I would have saw that on the higher time frames, we were starting to create a bearish flag, a bearish price action, like bearish candle. And so we're at a resistance area, right? So I would have been like, oh, we're getting on sells, right? And then lower the time frame, and then you're like, oh yeah, look, it's no longer, it's kind of like in a downwards trend, so I'm gonna get in on sells, and then you get stopped out. The reason being is because you have to look at the bigger picture, right? You have to understand that price before it goes down on the higher time frames, it's more often than not gonna come back up to these highs here. Okay, look at this, these highs here before it goes down. The reason why price does that is because this helps price literally, okay? It helps price retest that level and kind of giving it like a second shot and be like, okay, just before we go this direction, I'm just making sure that this is, you know what I mean? So this is how it stops out all these, it literally collects all these buy traders, right, that are looking to buy and they think it's going to go higher and all that type of stuff, and then it knocks them out, and in reality it goes the direction it's supposed to go, right? So this is how you knock out a lot of people from the markets. And but yeah, anyways, and it's just Monday, guys. Like, we're already in here and it's Monday, taking things nice and slow as we go. Guys, we're at 18 people. Guys, we got 9 likes. Let's go. Let's get it to 15 likes, guys. At least, let's get it. I hope you guys are understanding. David, the most important thing, my man, is to learn to be patient. Trust me. You don't want to be taking trading in a fast-paced level. Don't focus so much on flipping your account. Focus more on how can I preserve that capital, right? How can I slowly grow it, right? You don't want to be getting into the markets just to get in, right? And the more patient you are, the better quality trades you're going to find. It's that simple, guys. Literally, I've learned that before. I'm like, I see something moving. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's buys, it's buys, it's buys, it buys. And then it creates a huge wick and then it goes back down. I used to think that way, and that's not the way you want to be trading, guys. Don't trade off of your emotions, trade off of your knowledge, okay? Trade off of what you know, right? And this having that knowledge and skill set, once you master trading, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not even close to where I want to be, but imagine me at my level, basically doing 10 full lots, 20 full lots, like these other YouTubers, right? And traders. Like these guys have been doing it for, I don't know how long. And it takes time, right? But once you get to that growth curve and you start kind of being like, well, I could slowly start opening up things and my psychology starts to change. I start trusting my plan even further. And I go from doing 1 to 2 full lots to now doing 5 lots, 10 lots, 20 lots, 100 lots, right? And that's where things could really change really quickly, right? But because I stuck through with what I believed in, I trusted my plan, I trusted my strategy. Okay, guys, listen to, I'm dropping some sauce here, guys, some gems here. I trusted in myself, I trusted my strategy, and understanding that the market is all about probabilities. That doesn't mean, look at my analysis here, doesn't mean it's gonna always go in my direction. But as long as I'm managing my risk and I'm not going over the top here, you know what I mean? That is really the most important thing. Because, for example, on my gold trade or on my GU trade or whatever, if it hits a stop loss, as long as I manage my risk, for example, okay, and VIP's seen how we've done that. We've been up a crazy numbers of pips. We've been up all last week. We did crazy trades like on gold, on GJ, on anyways. And there are times where you got to be like, okay, shoot, you know, price is not going in our favor in this direction. That's fine. I'm trusting my plan. I'm managing my risk. I'm getting out now at a -5 pip loss, -8 pip loss, and then move on to the next, right? And then you move on to the next and okay, shoot, for example, in my case, crap, I lost $300. Okay, no problem. Next trade, gain 2,200. So am I up? Of course, I'm up $1,800 US, right? So it's like, as long as you know how to just keep up with that management, that's where you really start seeing the results, guys. You know what I mean? But if you're so focused on, I gotta win, and then when you take one small loss, right? Or you're so set on that mentality of it's gotta go this direction, right? Stop thinking like that. Stop thinking like it's gotta go that direction or it has to go in your direction. Or let's say you get in on sells here, for example, and it starts going up, well, like I'm telling you, because it's probably gonna come up to these highs for Euro odd, it goes up and hits your stop, or it's about to hit your stop loss. So you start extending the stop loss to over 100 pips. You don't want that. Stick to your plan, right? Either don't get in, okay, or leave your stop loss and that's it. Take your 25 pip stop loss in this case, right? So this is why I personally wait. I want to get on a higher entry here. If I start seeing rejection of these highs, knowing that on the higher time frames, it's a very significant level, right? Then that's how we know that, okay, there's something going on here. This is something different. Price is most likely going to reject this level structure. It's giving us rejections on the higher time frames, giving us rejections on the lower time frames. We can target, for example, this lower end first and take that as a TP1. And that in itself is over 140 pips, guys. So you know what I mean? Like you could do even a little bit smaller target, but you guys get the point. Anyways, let's move on to our major pairs that I trade personally. Euro USD. What's going on with Euro USD, guys? So let me clear the charts because I want to keep this nice and clean for you guys. That's just how it is, guys. Let's go. We like to keep it nice and clean. So Euro USD, what are we looking at here? So there's a lot of indecision. I don't really like the indecision, but on the weekly levels, we are coming back up to this potential resistance area. So we are getting a little bit of rejection here. This is another resistance area with rejection. Okay, so let me just kind of nail this down. So we may come back up a little bit higher short term. Let's go back up to the daily. Daily, we may be coming back up to retest these highs. We may see a rejection from this level structure. A lot of indecision. I don't like what I see. I'll be honest with you. I really don't. We are kind of coming up to the upside, which is nice. We've kind of failed to create a higher high at this point. So we are starting to maybe potentially create maybe that new lower high. But again, like I said, I don't really like what I'm seeing here. I just don't see anything that I like. 4 hour, it seems like we've broken above these highs. We closed above these highs. and we're now using it as a level of support. We are rejecting this level, this lower end level here in the markets, so we may see a potential retest of the higher end. So we may see a continuation to the upside from here. I don't think it's gonna go sells right now. I think we're looking at Euro USD buys short term, but I don't know. I wouldn't personally buy it, guys. I'll be honest with you. I'm not too convinced. I mean, we could, because we're at this level of support. Let's see here. Yeah, I think my my time here on my sessions is 1 hour delayed. That's why the New York hasn't popped up, but that's the New York volume already. I think we're looking at Euro buys here, guys. I'll be honest with you. Let's see. Guys, welcome to all of our newest members. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited to have you guys here. Make sure you guys turn on your notification bell below and click all notifications, guys, and welcome to the family. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any trade opportunities, guys. I'm excited to have you guys here. All right, guys. So gold trade literally smashed at 1,000. So we're here in Canada. That's almost like $1,500. Gold trade $1,120, guys. I called this out on VIP. I just told them to take their profits. So if you're looking to level up on your trading, guys, or you're looking to take trade opportunities like this, make sure you guys join in my VIP Inner Circle, guys. The link is in the video description below. Or you can find it pinned at the top. So if you're looking to learn while you earn, guys, I don't know what you're doing, guys. You guys are missing out on a ton of value. And yeah, so beautiful setup, guys, on gold. Price ended up going in our favor and is continuing to go higher. I told you guys gold buys, even kind of hinted it a little bit in the live stream, because I have been sharing some crazy profits here with you guys. And take profit is pretty much smashed here with gold at 83 pips, guys. Congratulations to our VIP members. Congratulations, because we killed it this morning, and it's barely Monday, guys. Barely Monday mornings. Heavy profits. Let's go. Profit secured. Tony, how'd you like that, my man? Tony's in my VIP. Let's freaking go, my man. Let's go. You know what's good. You know what's good. So yeah. Live in the flesh, guys. I gave you guys a little hint. But again, right, I like to keep it to my VIP students only. You know, all the analysis, everything. I let them know when to enter, when to not, so when to get out and all that type of stuff. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are enjoying this live stream. Definitely we killed it overall. Markets are a little bit slow this morning. Again, keep in mind it's Monday, guys. It's the beginning of the week. Let's take things easy, right? We want to focus on quality over quantity, as always. I know it sounds repetitive. I know it's like, oh, you know, like, yeah, it's the same. No, but it's rinse and repeat, guys. It's rinse and repeat. I'm telling you, that's what you want to focus on, guys. Rinse and repeat process. Okay. That's really what you want to focus on here, guys, with the markets, right? Don't focus so much on just like, you know, I just got to get in just because. No. Focus on always quality trades only. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. We're at 10 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes, guys? Let's go. Let's get it to 15 likes. All right.
Otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo. Tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos polvo en Samuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane. Te mandé un
Beautiful, 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 guys. That's amazing. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is welcome to all the new people that are just joining in or whatever. If it's your first time here, guys, welcome. Welcome to the family, guys. I appreciate you all. I really, really do. And I'm going to go make myself my matcha tea. I have to have my matcha tea, guys. You guys know what's good. So I'm going to make my matcha tea, and I'll be right back, okay, guys? We're going to continue to scope out opportunities together and go from there. So give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back.
Cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo. Tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, que a muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos polvo en Samuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre. Dime dónde buscarte, baby. Vaya a llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile, vamos a armarla sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo, aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, que a muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Vaya a llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile, vamos a armar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo, aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, quedan muchos, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende, vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en Zamuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más, toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Vaya a llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile, vamos a armar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo, aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, quedan muchos, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende, vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en Zamuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más, toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, queda mucho, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Ya tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos por ese muro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Ya tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Pa' yo llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile, vamos a armar la sola fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo, aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Ya tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, queda mucho, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Ya tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos por ese muro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Ya tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Pa' yo llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile, vamos a armar la sola fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo, aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar, sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en Zamuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más. Vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Pa' yo llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baby. Vamos al mar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo. Aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, que a muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en Zamuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más. Vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Pa' yo llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baby. Vamos al mar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo. Aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, que a muchos somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Ve a mí, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en Zamuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre. Dime dónde buscarte, baby, pa' yo llegarme. Sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baby. Vamos al mar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo. Aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, quedan muchos, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Ve a mí, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en Zamuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte de aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre. Dime dónde buscarte, baby, pa' yo llegarme. Sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baby. Vamos al mar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo. Aprovecho la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, quedan muchos, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos color en Samuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte, baby. Voy a llegarme, sabes que estoy puesto pa' lo que quieres. Ven, hagamos un baile, vamos a armar la sola, fuente de placer. Tú, yo, cosas en el suelo, aprovecha la noche juntos para complacernos. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Sé que nos peleamos, queda mucho, somos los culpables. Estamos cansados, yo no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende, vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos color en Samuro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte aquí hasta septiembre, baby. Ya yo no puedo más. Toma todo lo que quieras y si quieres vas. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre hay fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Yo no quiero pelear más, vamos a hacer desastre, dime dónde buscarte.
Alright guys, we are back. Anyways guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having an amazing morning. Let me just put back my camera. Put back my camera there. Perfect. Awesome guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing morning so far. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys got a glimpse of how everything went in terms of the trades here. Have you tried to flip down before? That the right thing for you? You know, like when it comes, we got a question here from Lachai here, asking about flipping account. I think that the mentality that comes with having to flip an account is what really made me struggle when I first started trading, right? So when you first start, I find that when you're trying to flip accounts or you're trying to you know what I mean, do all that type of stuff, you find yourself being pressured, and you find yourself doing things that you technically shouldn't, you know what I mean, if that makes sense. Anyways, take a look at this. AUUSD pulled back beautifully. Not sure what happened here with GJ. Nope, so GJ pulled back, that's fine. Good thing this is why I didn't enter in this one. Now take a look at this though. Overall, if we look at it from an outside standpoint, it's literally just coming back up to retest this level. So I think it will pull back from here. So from here, this would be obviously, I mean, it's still 930, would be a better entry, right? So here you would do something like, okay, I'm gonna do, let's say on the 50 minute time frame, I'm gonna do 30 pip stop. and my TP1 will be this lower end here at 60 pips, and then I'm going to target this lower end about 116. Now this is a much better entry getting into GJ than where we were looking at, and this is why we wait. This is why you have to be patient. Same thing here, guys. Take a look at this GU, right? We were looking at what? Look at price coming back up. That was my overall analysis. We weren't getting in. I didn't get in here, right? But we said we were waiting for price to come back up to these highs, then reject, right? So it just goes to show that now that we've rejected these highs twice, then that's that confirmation that, okay, we're now rejecting these highs. Most likely now, because it's already 9:30, I think we're just going to range here for a bit, and then we're going to see a break. Once we break below this lower end, then we start looking for sell opportunities. This is why, look at my analysis. Why do you think I had the line from where we were to back up to these highs? I wasn't looking at sells right away. That was the reason why. Because more often than not, price will come back up to these highs, right, before it goes back down in the direction it's anticipating. So we're going to look at sell setups for GU below this level structure here, which I'm going to leave for you guys right there. Okay, we're looking for sell setups below that level structure. Okay, if you guys have any questions, guys, take advantage. I'm telling you guys, the amount of value I provide in this channel, you guys got to take advantage. You know what I mean? Like, you know, that's how you're going to learn, right? Ask questions, you know, because, you know, I'm not always going to be here live all the time, right? But the fact that I am most of the time, and I do this for free, you know, take advantage of the value in it. So anyways, guys, we're at 11 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes, guys? Let's get it to 15 likes. I don't know. It's like literally, yeah, no. Sorry, guys, give me 1 second. I'm just talking here with the wife. Just give me 1 second, okay?
Somos los culpables, estamos cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me sorprende. Vamos a dejar de lado lo que nos hace diferente. Yo sé que no eres mía, yo no soy tuyo, así que no gastemos pólvora en muro. Te quise llevar para otro lugar y comerte aquí hasta.
All right, guys, thank you so much for waiting. Just talking with the wife. But yeah, anyways, so We got Malachi here. Let's go. Too late to enter GJ. Let's take a look at it together. But again, let's take a look. Let's see. And we got another member also commenting. Says, "Hola Pedro, ¿de dónde eres?" Hola, soy de, bueno, mis padres son nicaragüenses, pero vivo aquí en Canadá. Sí. ¿Y tú, de dónde eres? Where are you from? Welcome, guys. Welcome to all our new members. If you guys are new, welcome to La Familia. I always like to say that. Welcome to La Familia, guys. So let's take a look at GJ, okay? And we're gonna take a look at this together. So we've got one of our members saying if it's too late. As you can see, this is perfect. Like I told you, perfect entry to get in. It closed bearish, which is nice. Now keep in mind, as long as we respect this area here, we may see a continuation to the downside. Now what I would like to do is go back up to the daily and realize that on the higher time frames we may be creating up an even more extensive pullback. So thank God we broke below. That's nice, because that's giving us an indication that, you know, the sentiment's changing here. One or two things could happen. This next candle that we see here, which is the next 4-hour candle, could continue to go down lower, okay? And it's just creating a wick here right now. Or we may start getting that pullback. I think we may get a rejection here and continue to go down further, okay? Once we come down further a little bit, maybe to this lower end, then we'll get the pullback back up to these highs. You have to anticipate and you have to be aware of your surroundings and aware of kind of the overall outlook, right? Remember, that's why I always say look at the bigger picture, because that's going to help you understand where we are, right? With that being said, could we get in on sells? Potentially, but just I would want to get one more rejection of these highs. If it comes back up to this highs and rejects it twice, then I would be looking for sell entries, and then just go from there. Like right now, I already kind of put it there. You'd be up right now 22 pips. So it's not too bad from when I told you guys, hey, we're looking at sells from here. And if I pull my fib here on the 15-minute time frame, I pull my fib from the highs to the lows, you're going to see that we're getting a clean and beautiful rejection of our golden zone. So this is our 0.618 level structure. Okay, look at this, 0.618 and 0.50 level of structure, golden zone. So we can anticipate continuation of sells for GJ. So yeah, if that is short answer, yes, I do see continuation of sells for GJ as long as it respects this golden zone. Okay. And just keep in mind that we may come back up to these highs once more. And then also keep in mind that, for example, if we come back down, we might also come back down here to this lower end, cop 61 pips, and then push back up high. So again, manage your risk. Really kind of focus on managing your risk and understanding all that. And if you guys want to learn how to level up your trading, or you want to be able to take the trades I take, similar to the gold trade that we took with my VIP students this morning, and we profited heavy, make sure you guys go click the link in the video description below to my VIP Inner Circle and join in, guys. I'd love to be able to help you out with your trading journey and kind of help you step by step, you know, avoid the mistakes I went through, you know what I mean? So that's why I really created that program. Also, guys, if you're looking for a regulated broker, I do have a link that does come with a sign-up bonus. I know a lot of you guys message me asking me what broker I recommend or what broker I use. This is the broker I use. They are regulated, which is the most important thing. So even if you go with my broker or not, it doesn't matter to me, guys, to be honest with you. I only got a link because some people were asking about it, and then if there was a sign-up bonus with it. So I have partnered up with these guys. They are Blueberry Markets. They're regulated. They're from Australia, and I highly recommend them. They're pretty good. So, but again, you don't have to go with my broker, right? I'm just saying, it's there as an option. Just make sure whatever broker you ever do get, guys, make sure it's regulated. That's all I care about. I don't want you guys with an unregulated broker. You got a lot of manipulation, higher spreads. You have issues withdrawing money. Yeah. You just don't want those headaches. Let's go, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. We got Malachi. Okay, thanks. Agustin, where are you from, my man? ¿De dónde eres? How about you? 12 likes, guys. Let's get it to 15 likes. Let's go. Take a look at that, guys. GJ. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, right? We want to just manage our risk. Okay, so at this point, we would have, if you would have took it from when I told you guys to get in, 35 pips. But again, remember, just know your risk. Okay, I'm risking potentially 29 pips here, so I'm aware of my risk, right? I'm aware that, for example, if I'm doing one full lot, I'm aware I could lose 300, right? To potentially gain TP1 600, so 590, 59 pips, and potentially even gain up to 1,300. Okay, so this is how we do things, guys, right? Because remember what I told you, it could come down, which it came down nicely, right? Right now you'd be up 37, could come down to our TP1 around 60 pips and then push back up, right? So this is why we manage our risk, and we go with the flow, right? We don't kind of force these trades to happen. Anyways, look at that. So we're already getting the rejection I told you guys here on GU. Beautiful, exactly as anticipated. So now I would see GU coming down all the way to this lower end of support, and then we'd look for guaranteed sells, or not guaranteed, but you guys got the point. More highly probable sells once it breaks below this level structure down here. Okay, let's go, team. Let's go. Got my matcha tea, guys. You guys know what's good. You know, helps me with my focus, clarity. It's good for health, guys. Antioxidants, all that type of stuff, guys. I want to take care of you guys. You know what I mean? I want to take care of the team. I'm showing you what I know. Make sure you guys get your teas, guys. If you like teas, I recommend matcha tea. It's really good, guys. It helps you kind of focus. It doesn't give you the jittery feeling, although it is highly caffeinated naturally. It's got like high antioxidants and stuff, so it's really good for your health too as well. So find things that you like, you know what I mean, that'll help you kind of cool back, relax. And right now I'm actually fasting, so I've been doing I do intermittent fast. I do it just for health reasons. So right now I'm at 16-hour fast. So I'd be at a 22-hour fast if I break my fast at 3 p.m. So I'm probably gonna do, I'm not gonna do 22 hours because I don't want to push myself too much. I'm going to just do maybe like a 20-hour fast. So that means I'll break my fast at like 1:40 p.m. And again, you know, these are good things too, guys, because you have to understand too, as a trader, what helps you too is applying the discipline in your life, but in other aspects of your life. You know what I mean? So when you are disciplined, take a look at that, guys. Oh shoot, man, gold. And I called this out in VIP, guys. Look at gold, guys. It's going. So I called this out. We were at 83 pips. This candle here, we are now up 170 pips. Holy smokes, man. I call this, I think we took our profits around 80 pips, if I'm not wrong. It's gone up to our target area, because I literally had this target area at these highs. Again, what am I going to do? Am I going to go and desperately run and get in on buys now? No. You miss the move, you move on. That's it. No emotions, guys. No emotions. You can't mix in your emotions. The moment you start trading with your heart and not your mind, that's where things mess up. Okay, you want, as traders, you want to be disciplined. Okay, discipline is crucial. Discipline is key, you know, to your success. I got my dual monitor set up finally. So I've got my PC and then I got my Mac on this side, so that's pretty cool. I want to eventually get a better camera because I'm using my webcam on my Mac. I want to see if I can get like a more higher quality camera for you guys. So you guys can see my gray hairs. Guys, we're at 13 likes. Let's get it to 15 likes. Let's go. Anyways, beautiful for gold. Beautiful turnout. You know, some people even here, we were looking at a double top. But I told you guys, if it doesn't break the neckline, it's irrelevant, and it's invalid, right? So what I saw this morning, essentially, I'm going to do a video on this, actually, because it's quite significant, guys. We saw it here, okay? And we started to kind of create some sort of a wedge pattern formation, okay? Not only that is, I said, once we close above these highs, so I narrowed this down, I believe it was the 15-minute time frame. We were getting rejections. So this candle here, this 15-minute candle right over here, do you see it at 8 o'clock? Yeah, 8 o'clock. And then we had this one here, 7:45. So this one is where we entered. The reason why is because we were getting rejection. And not only that, look at this level support over here, guys. So look, previous level resistance. And that's why I'm saying support, because it becomes future level support. Right, so not only that, because I'll be honest with you, it's not just from looking at that. Oh, it's an ascending type of wedge pattern formation, and then we closed bullish and we rejected this level support. No, I noticed that, but then I looked at Dixie, right? What was Dixie doing? Well, not only did Dixie reject these highs here, look at this wick rejection here. Again, 8 o'clock again, right? This is my analysis, guys. I'm literally dropping some sauce here for you guys. So pay close attention to what I'm telling you guys, okay? So I saw this heavy rejection on Dixie, right? So to me, I knew that this was a level structure. Look at this resistance area here. So for us to break above this resistance area, it's going to be quite significant move. So the bulls tried to push price higher and break these highs. Unfortunately, we got a heavy rejection. So once I started seeing this heavy rejection at 8 o'clock, around 8:15, there was indecision. Then we had the New York Open, and then we saw the volume kick in. Once I started seeing gold pushing below this level support end here, that's why I have this black line here. That's when we got to push the downside, and that's when I knew, okay, this is a straight confirmation that gold is going to continue to go higher. And look, price ended up going in our favor over right now at this point. Like, we're up 200 pips, guys. Like, that's nuts, man. Like, that's crazy. I took my $1,000 US, which is like 1,300 Canadian, and ran for one day, guys. Like, that's crazy. You know what I mean? So definitely a blessing being able to understand the skill set once you learn it, for sure. And again, do you see part of the discipline, right? The discipline is, I'll be honest with you, like, when I first started, I would have been freaking out. I would have been like, wow, like 200 pips, I only caught like 80 or 90 pips, like, frick, man. Like, no, that's it. It is what it is. You move on. The markets will always, and keep this in mind, guys, always drill it in your head. The markets will always have opportunities, right? If you understand that concept and you understand the markets will always have an opportunity, on to the next. Don't worry. Tomorrow's a new day. And trust me, guys, also, guys, take advantage. These live streams are absolutely free. I'm here providing you absolute value when it comes to trading, guys, where other traders charge you for this type of knowledge, right? And if you're really looking, or you're confident, or you're sorry, not confident, but you're struggling with confidence, and you're struggling with your trading, and you really want to be able to get that clarity, and you know what I mean, you're just tired of blowing your account, or you have a funded account that you're trying to grow, make sure you guys join my VIP inner circle. Take advantage of that, guys. It's accessible to you, and it literally costs nothing to invest in yourself. You know what I mean? The amount of thousands of dollars I invested because I was so lost and I needed a sense of direction when it came to my trading is second to none, guys. Plus all the thousands I lost when I first started, right? Being able to have that kind of mentorship and guidance, you know, being able to follow my analysis, you know, take my trade signals, be able to do live Zoom calls. That's huge, guys. Huge value. So that you can find in my inner circle, guys. Make sure you guys join in. Also, I've discounted my lifetime membership, guys. Lifetime was actually at $9.97, dropped it to $6.97 for Christmas. Kept it there for a while because I know a lot of you guys wanted to join in, and for a limited time only, I've actually dropped it to $4.97 for anyone that joins lifetime. Once you lock it in, guys, trust me, I'm doing this. The reason why I'm doing this is because I genuinely want to be a part of your growth. I don't want you just to join in for 1 month and then forget it, or join 2 months. I have students from last year since October, and I love being able to be a part of their growth and see them grow, right? So that's what I want. That's the reason why I'm focusing on the lifetime. I'm not focused so much on, you know, you guys just joining it. I want you guys to be a part of it. I want to help you grow with your trading journey. I want you to learn, not just take my analysis or signals and then just copy and paste, but learn while you earn. That's why I do it. That's how I say it with my VIP inner circle. It's learn while you earn. So yeah, guys, that's really it. And yeah, so we saw that beautiful move on gold. I mean, again, I was anticipating it to come back up to these highs. And look at that, literally price for gold pushed up to these highs. Now, before I came in this morning, I think this was last night. I left this. Yeah, this was last night. I was anticipating a potential pullback. But again, if you look at it really, there's not much resistance area here. We can see price coming back up to these highs here as a more probable chance. Now, what I'm anticipating for sure, there's going to be some sort of a pullback on the higher time frames for gold. We are definitely overbought at this point. So, you know, we can anticipate some sort of a pullback, but you can see the wedge pattern formation here. Beautiful. It is giving us a similar move here. You can see, excuse me, this similar move here. Okay. If we shift this over, you could see that this is going to be a similar move for gold going up to these highs, right? So yeah, so I would stay out from GBP US. Like right now, GU it's just looking a lot of indecision. GBP odd, I told you guys we're at a resistance area, so we're looking at GBP odd sells. just not yet. I mean, it's up to you if you want to enter. This would be like a nice, how do I explain it? This would be a little bit more of a higher entry. But again, it's not, I don't have confirmations yet. So that's why I wouldn't enter yet. Okay. That's why we wait for confirmations. We got Hefe. Why don't you update your loss on Friday? I've been crazy busy, but I know that we have a loss here. We got one loss, one break even. It's a lot. It's a lot of keeping up back end, my man. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have here, guys. So yeah, GBP odd overall outlook is to the downside. Euro USD, what's going on here? Euro USD, looking at potential. Euro USD is indecisive too, guys. I would stay out right now for Euro USD. Plus, it's a lot, guys, because right now the challenge I'm having is I'm leaving my charts on. So some trades that I'm personally taking with my VIP is totally different than the trades I'm just sharing with you guys on the live streams, right? So being able to update everything is a lot to manage right now. But actually, I'm curious, Hefe, which trade are you talking about too? Let me know. Was it a gold or I can't remember? Okay, so let's move on here. Odd USD, what's going on with Odd USD? Odd USD, we got a rejection here from our 0.618, 0.50 level. I could see Odd USD breaking. It's breaking above these highs right now. I could see it come up to these highs potentially because we are kind of creating higher highs and higher lows. It looks a little bit choppy, not the most ideal, but yeah, for sure I see it probably coming back up to these highs here, guys. Let me see here. Let me see. Was it USDJPY? Let's see. Take a look at this. USDJPY actually went in our favor. I don't see anything here, guys. Hold on. That was beautiful rejection there, by the way. So see how I was already anticipating sells. Guys, we're at 16 likes. Let's get it to 20 likes, guys. Let's go. Let's get it to 20 likes. Also, guys, if you're looking to copy my exact setup, so if you would like to use the same things I use, I've actually got all the links in my video description. So if you guys are looking to see the books I've read, so if, like, for example, Trading in the Zone, Naked Forex, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad Poor Dad. I couldn't find the Rich Dad Poor Dad because it's got a soft cover version. But anyways, even audio, but the links are all below. There is a slight little commission that I do get from it. But I want to just let you guys know, right? It does support the channel. And if you're looking to kind of see what I've read before, I really do like listening to audiobooks, but these are the audiobooks that I recommend. So Trading in the Zone, that was the big one that helped me with my psychology, getting my psychology in place. And then, for example, Naked Forex is really good as well too. Think and Grow Rich helps you kind of like just our overall outlook on how to look at managing your money, how people that have money or been successful, or how the wealthy think, right? That's really important for your success as well too, guys. And then I have all my recommended equipment, cameras, my mouse that I use, which is the Logitech mouse. This is the MX Master 3. Again, it's a mouse, right? You think, whatever, right? But this is smooth, man. Like if you're on the charts all the time, you want to make sure you're comfortable, right? And I have my Mac, my iMac here, and I've got my PC. But I even changed the mouse for my Mac because this is a nice mouse in itself. It's very comforting, whatever. it's there. It's all available there, guys, on Amazon. And then my MacBook, my monitors that I recommend. I do have my Dell monitor that I use for my PC. I love it. And my ring light too for the videos. It's all there, guys. Okay. Okay, look at this, guys. USDJPY ended up going beautifully in our favor here. So what are we looking at for USDJPY now at this point? I see it. So it's broken below this level support, which was kind of a level that I was looking at. And you can see this level structure here. This was an important key level structure that price rejected. So now what I would see is a pullback. So I would wait for some sort of a retracement. This is the higher time frame, by the way, so the daily. So it's quite significant. So don't go for buys yet. We want to wait for confirmation. We want to wait for the next candle. Let's focus on the 4-hour candle, 4-hour time frame. That's going to give us a little bit more of a clear indication of if we're getting a rejection. We can see our RSI. Take a look at our RSI at the bottom end here. We're seeing some sort of a, oversold. So we can anticipate a potential pullback here, and it will happen. Most likely, we're going to pull back, guys. It's just part of the game. That's just how it is. I do most likely see price pulling back up to these highs here before we see a potential continuation to the downside for USDJPY. Welcome, guys. Welcome to all of our newest family members, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome to the family, guys. I appreciate you all very, very much. Make sure you guys join in our free Telegram group, guys. The link is in the video description. I'm going to actually leave it here for you guys as well, too. So I'm going to put here my recommended broker. I'm going to put here the free Telegram group community. Make sure you guys join in on there as well. Okay. Also VIP inner circle that is available to you as well. Okay. And then my website, guys. Guys, I'm going to do a video on the gold trade that we caught. So that is all I have for today. Beautiful, beautiful. Gold went in our favor over 200 pips, guys. I literally hinted it to you guys. I told you guys my overall kind of sentiment and feel. I did send it out to my VIP students, but I did share it with you guys as well. Also, if you guys want to figure out what tea I get, I've actually put the link below on the tea that I get, my matcha tea. It's organic ceremonial matcha. It helps with like focus and health benefits. So if you guys are looking for something like that, also if you want to get something that's a tea that's more relaxing and stuff like that, I recommend Buddha's Blend, guys. Buddha's Blend is really nice. I put the link below as well. You can get it from Amazon as well too, guys. Go check that out. And if you haven't already, guys, go and follow me on my socials on Instagram and say hi. Go and follow me on my socials at official Pedro FX. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I'll be honest with you guys, I mainly use Instagram more than anything. Instagram and obviously YouTube. I'll update you guys through here. But the best way of being in the know and not missing out on these live streams or anything or any new video, make sure your notifications are turned on. You're subscribed, but the notifications are turned on. Okay, guys? All right, guys, that's all I have for now. I'm going to leave my charts on. Yeah, I'm going to leave my charts on for now, or actually I'm going to close them off and then I'll bring it back on later on today because I'm going to do another video for you guys. Another video is dropping this morning too. So I'm pushing hard on videos because I know you guys have been enjoying them and you find that you're able to learn this way as well too, guys. So if you have any questions, guys, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help, guys.